So it just happened. You can finally schedule things in Claude where it happens automatically on a schedule. So task, requests, prompts, all the skills that you have without you having to actually go in and prompt it and open up your computer every day. It is now doing the work while you sleep, which is chef's kiss. All right, so let me show you how to get to the schedule feature in Cowork, and let me just give you an example of something that you might want to have it schedule. If you're new here, I'm Morgan DeBon. I'm the CEO of Blavity and Afrotech. I help people work smarter, not harder. And at Afrotech, we do tons of free resources, trainings for people who are learning AI skills. You can also come to the conference in November, which is so much fun. All right, so when you open up Claude back to its normal flow, um, you're going to get to this page. On the left sidebar is scheduled, which is new. So exciting. And here you're going to see all of your scheduled tasks. So I made one for you guys already. This one I'm using for my business called the Morning Chief of Staff Readout. I can't show you everything because a lot of it is confidential, but basically you have the readout description. You want to tell it what folder you want it in, what time you want it to send. So I have it sending every Monday. The foldering system is very important here because it's where the output will be when you're looking for that output. But when you run it, you're going to have basically all your different things. So I have it gathering data, ticket sale data. I have it checking my Slack. I have a bunch of connectors. So if you use Asana, if you use HubSpot, Slack, Gmail, your calendar, it can connect to all of that and proactively pull, or even a spreadsheet. So for example, here you see I have the Afrotech ticket sale spreadsheet, and it can go into that spreadsheet, pull all the data so I can see kind of what the updates from the teams are, which is really nice because it prevents my team from having to like answer my question. If I'm like, hey, how many tickets have we sold today? I can just ask Claude. I don't have to ask my team anymore, which hopefully will reduce their anxiety over time. Also in here has like our weekly goals. It has all my direct reports and all their information. At my company, everybody sends a Friday weekly update. So it also will read that weekly update. I read it as well, but I'm not able to retain the information week over week. And I'm not able to compare what someone said 2 weeks ago with what they actually did 2 weeks later. And that's some of the things that I think having an AI assistant work with you, they're very good at checking back and saying, hey, 6 weeks ago, this salesperson said that they had this deal with, I don't know, Sony on the line. And then all of a sudden they stop reporting out on Sony. What happened there? That is a really good way to use AI. So that's exactly what this does. And then you can always run it whenever you want. But this is how you get something scheduled. Now, if you want to create something new, you can create it from here and write out the task, the description, which model you want to use, what folder you want everything to work in, and then how frequently you want it to run. Now, let's say, for example, you want to do it in a different way. Let's say you're really jamming with Claude and you're having a conversation. You can also say, now schedule this to run on a regular basis, and that will happen. And then it'll be in the system for you. I would always go through and just kind of quality assurance, make sure that it shows up here, but you could do it that way as well. And that's going to make sure that it's actually running. Claude right now is shipping, and Anthropic team is shipping so much that things do break. So you just want to make sure your connectors are always connected and the prompt skills, plugins that you're customizing are consistently set up. So that is it. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's any other quick tutorials I can make for you. But this is really exciting, and it's going to take at least my personal Claude use to the next level for sure.